Hey guys, welcome to From Brother, and today I visited the Oppo and Oneplus offline store, and in front of us is the flagship benchmark product, Oneplus Ace3 Pro. As we can see this time, for the Oneplus Ace3 Pro it's inherit the Oneplus Ace3 design, but this time we have a special color and it's a leather material back panel, and this time to also use the curved screen and control screen. And this is a GDI 6.78-inch 1.5K punch hole screen. It supports LTP, LPTO, and the Victor's tooth glass. On the left side of the smartphone, provide a customized keyboard button, so you can switch from the silence mode, vibration mode, and ring mode. It's very convenient design. With this curved screen, the display resolution is 2780x1264. Exposed 120Hz refresh rate, and the peak brightness reached to 4050 nit. And now we can go to the settings to check the specification about this device. The processor, this time they use the Snapdragon 8 Generation 3 processor. It's a 4nm producer technology processor chip. And this time the maximum RAM and ROM is support up to 24GB RAM and 1TB ROM, and it also supports LPDDR5X and UFS 4.0. And for the battery, this time it supports a big battery, dual battery cell, 6100 mAh battery, and it's also powered by a 100-watt fast charging and super walk charging on developed battery manager chips from Oppo Oneplus. For screen part, as I mentioned, it uses the GDI, the best screen for GDI 1.5K. It's plus the DisplayMate Plus. It also can run 120 FPS and 2K display resolution when you play Genshin Impact. Besides the flagship chip and display, screen display, and also this time for the camera is powered by a Sony IMX890 50MP main camera, support OIS, and the wide angle is 112 FOV wide angle camera, and also support macro lens for centimeters, and the front camera is 16 megapixel. I take 7 pictures and put them at the end of the video so you can check the quality of the image. Also support the zoom performance. And this time the OnePlus Ace3 Pro also powered by the Oppo Find series, the image software, new DSP unit from Oppo Find series. It can make it easier for you to take and shoot better pictures. So as you can see, this time it provides 3 colors: the white glass back panel, green leather material back panel, and also the titanium ceramic back panel. And here is the process information and the dimension about the device. And for this green leather material, dimension about this device is 163.3, 75.2A, and 8.95 thickness, and the weight is just 207 grams. Very thin and very light. Personally, I really like this green leather material. It's very fresh and very simple design. I really like it. And also we can find this time they use the classical camera zone design and the edge of the camera standard digital framework. And now we can turn on the MiHoYo to check the Genshin Impact display performance. I don't have time to log in into the game, but I will say this time for the Oneplus Ace3 Pro is very nice because it supports the 120 FPS, high FPS, and work with 2K display resolution. And this is very good for the game lovers of Genshin Impact. And also this time they use the independent game chips to accelerate the gaming performance. So at last, let's enjoy some pictures about this device. Hope you can enjoy my video and stay tuned waiting for more cool gadgets from here. And please also let me know what you think of such high performance in the market. And I will say this at last, I will say this time they use the 3100 mAh battery is very incredible. Small body with a big battery, and also in 40 minutes you can charge it from 0% to 100%. That's very nice. This time I think OnePlus S3 Pro will be a standard and we are benchmark product in the flagship smartphone industry. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.